everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Katie with John Henry's, and today I'm here to talk to you about our turkey burger patties. If you're familiar with our farm, you know that our meats are leaner than most because our turkeys enjoy a happy and active life out on our farm. They spend their days outside in the sunshine, scratching for bugs and eating the foliage that we plant for them. The way the turkeys are raised presents itself in the flavor and the quality of the meat, which is something our loyal customers know very well. Our ground turkey is the perfect mixture of light and dark meat, containing boneless, skinless breast meat, as well as boneless, skinless thigh meat. We do not use any additional fat, skin, or any other fillers. Our unique blend of dark and light meat together in our ground turkey makes for a really nice, moist burger. When you purchase our turkey burgers, you will receive 2 quarter-pound round pre-formed patties that are ready for the grill. We know that everyone has their own seasoning preferences, so the burgers do not contain any additional seasonings and are ready for you to create your own masterpiece. Turkey burgers can be cooked on the stovetop or grill, and you definitely want to watch them carefully because our turkey burgers cook quickly, and due to our birds' active lifestyle, they have less fat than conventionally raised birds. So be sure to keep a meat thermometer handy to ensure they reach the internal temperature of at least 165 degrees. You want to ensure they stay juicy by removing them from the heat as soon as they reach that temp. Add them to a bun and top them with your favorite burger toppings. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for supporting our farm. We're so glad that you found our channel. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button. And if you want to see more awesome recipes, click the video below.